I'm Dr. Deuk, I'm here with one of my patients on February 1st, 2023. And you just had surgery on your neck, the Deuk laser disc repair done with a 4mm incision to fix 2 herniated discs, her C6-7 and her C7-T1. And you had a long neck. We were able to get down to the C7-T1, and she had a very large herniation there. So your surgery was about 24 hours ago. How do you feel today?
I feel like a different person. I feel I was able to do many things this morning that I haven't been able to do for 4 months, and that is just get out of bed and just take my first steps and have 0 pain. And I haven't had that in 4 months. First step out of my bed was always the beginning of my day, and it was awful. And today I took my first step out of the bed and it was glorious. Good
for you. And before surgery yesterday, you had been suffering for about 6 months with neck pain going into your right arm, correct?
About 4 or 5 months.
How did that affect your quality of life?
Every day is difficult. I mean, I have a 10-year-old and a 5-year-old boy, and just the basic duties of a mother every single day was just unbearable and difficult. So quality of life was not very good. And so it is now.
And so the pain, obviously, because of the pain, activities would set it off, so you were limiting what you were doing. You were limiting what you were able to do as a mother.
Yes, there was things I were not able to do, and be the best mum that I can be was not one of them.
Well, you look very happy right now.
I am.
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm pain-free.
Yeah, and you didn't have to have a fusion or an artificial disc put in your neck, did you?
I did not.
Did anyone offer those surgeries to you?
I did. I was offered those surgeries. I was told that I needed a fusion, the possibility of disc replacement in 1 or 2 years down the road, but it was my decision to go in and have those taken care of if I wanted to. But there was also a possibility that once the doctor got in, that he could not replace those 2 discs, so he'd have to fuse those 2. So that to me was a possible 3 discs being fused. Mm-hmm. And I know the consequences of that, so that's why I came for your opinion, in your professional opinion, what can be done in a less evasive way, or that was an option for me, and here I am.
And I'm really happy it worked out for you. You can see in the video, we were able to get down to C7-T1, which is really a first endoscopically. And because you had that nice long neck, we were able to do it. And there was huge pieces of herniation down there. Your other disc was more degenerated, and we were still able to get that fixed as well. So I'm very happy you're doing well. What's life going to be like now that your neck is fixed?
My quality of life is just going to be a lot better than what it was. I'm going to take it easy, and I know that I need to take it easy, and I'm going to be careful, but I'm going to wake up with a smile on my face now instead of tears.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
Come see Dr. Deuk. He'll fix your pain and make you walk out with a smile on your face.
Excellent. All right. Good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.